Today we're in University Village in Seattle looking for authentic Vietnamese street food at Ba Bar. It seems we're in the right place because many have dubbed this the best pho in Seattle. Co-owner Eric Mon led us into his kitchen, and his energetic and vivid personality made us feel right at home.
I'm digging your hat. You're
I
representing.
have not worn a hat during cooking for the past 20 years.
And
No way.
now-
I love it.
And it looks so good on you.
Eric and his sister grew up eating street food in Saigon, giving his restaurant a special flavor that comes straight from the heart.
It's so not only amazing looking and beautiful, it's also delicious.
Especially when it's cold outside, it's nice to have a steaming bowl of soup. Yeah, you definitely need a napkin or two.
Growing up in Vietnam, lots of street food, not because they're inferior, but because they don't have enough money and they just master 2-3 dishes. I know some folks do it for 3-4 generations, using very inexpensive ingredients and make it taste amazing.
Comfort food that is fresh and light and just packed full of flavor. That's how I would describe it. With great ambiance and crazy cool cocktails.
You have to remember, Vietnam is hot. Average temperature is 90.
And so you want food that,
Very light so that it's easy to go down. It's kind of tough to eat beef stew during a 100-degree
105-degree day. Yes,
Yes,
I see what
yes.
you're saying.
Stick around because later in the show, Eric and I are making a special Saigon chicken cabbage salad.
You like spicy?
Well, I think your idea of spicy and my idea
Actually,
of
I'm a
spicy.
wimp. I'm a wimp.
Okay, I'm a wimp too.